name is KURLS, and welcome back to my channel. We have a special guest, my sister Kale.
Hey y'all.
Hey. So we are going to straighten my hair. I have my engagement pictures tomorrow.
Yeah, I see how come, mommy.
What's wrong?
What is it?
Oh, okay.
What'd you say, Kinsey?
I see car out there.
Oh, she sees your car outside.
Oh.
Really?
With the baby.
He's taking a nap. Hopefully he stays asleep.
No, shh.
I have my engagement pictures tomorrow, and I didn't want to wear the fro, so we're gonna straighten it. It's the first time it's been straightened in like 3 years. So, hold on, Kill.
I don't know what I was thinking, trying to get all that hair in that one clip.
So, this is what we use. We
He's
don't leave
asleep,
him
let's
back
leave him
there,
alone. Come up here and play.
because he already wakes up over every little thing. So we have, I use the KURLS Daughter. I've talked about this in like the last few videos because I really like this line, but it's the Goddess Strength Fortifying Shampoo. And then I use the Fortifying Conditioner. It's like almost gone. It's about to be at empties. And then I deep condition my hair with the Aunt Jackie's Fix My Hair. I actually forgot about this deep conditioner. Love it. Smells good. And then we're going to use the TRESemme leave-in spray heat tamer. So, as you can see, she's getting to work. So we just go, you know, I haven't decided if it's going to be a voiceover or if there's like moments where we're talking about something we can like let you guys listen. But otherwise, it's just going to be a voiceover. So we're just going to watch her work.